What is up, beautiful flowers? Welcome back to my channel or Facebook. I don't know where I'm posted at. So I'm at the river, decided to take a walk. It's hot as ever. I wasn't going to take this walk because it was too hot. But I figured you might as well go, girl. How you gonna motivate yourself, better yet anybody else, to do anything if you just giving up just because of some doggone heat? So I just wanted to come to encourage somebody to walk, take a walk. It's gonna clear your head. It's also gonna help you sweat some of them toxics that's been in your system. It's also going to allow you to possibly, work on that body that we trying to get fit. Stay consistent. Motivate yourself even when you feel like there's no inspiration around. Just get out there and do it. As soon as you get out there and do it, you're going to notice that you feeling a little more drive. And another thing, a lot of time, first of all, I'm on this swing. Hopefully I don't fall. This is swing. It's attached to this tree. I don't know if y'all see it. But you got to keep both of your hands on this swing. This not like one of them ones. Oh, see, I almost just bust my ass. This is not like one of them ones at the playground. But another thing I noticed, or one thing I have learned, and I'm continuing to remind myself of this, if you got to do it by yourself in order for it to be done, that doesn't mean that it's the obstacle. None at all wrong with doing shit by yourself. Shoot, came into this world by yourself unless you was a twin. But even if you was a twin, I'm pretty sure one came back before the other one. But anyway, so not gonna make this video too much longer. But I'll talk to y'all later. Yeah, peace.